Hello and welcome to my presentation on basic search through Library and Information Science Source on the EBSCOhost Research Online platform. So in today's presentation, we are going to be looking at how to do a basic search. So the type of search that we're going to do today is going to be our keywords. Keywords are going to be ebooks and academic library. So we're going to start our search through Library and Information Science Source right here. So the first keyword is going to be ebooks, and we're going to leave this the way it is, and academic libraries. And then we're going to conduct a search. Okay, actually, sorry, we're going to do library. And before we hit search, we need to do a few other things. So we're going to scroll down to the search options, which is here. And we are going to leave everything else here the way it is. Here we're going to indicate that we want to look within full text articles. And I want to deselect this. So apply equivalent subjects is an expander. What that means is that you're going to get more about this particular topic or related subjects, but we want these specific keywords to show up. So I'm going to uncheck that. Another thing we're, sorry. And then that's it for this screen. So the search within full text articles, that's a limiter. What a limiter means is basically we're going to narrow down our search as much as possible to get to here. Then we will click search. Okay, so this is our database results, or our search results. We are going to scroll down. So here on the left, you could see that we used the phrase ebooks and academic library. Our expander, okay, so that isn't, it's also a limiter, is within the full text articles. Down here, I'm going to limit it, so that's also a limiter to full text. So see that narrowed down our search results here. And then I'm going to scroll down and change our source type because I only want to look at academic journals. So that's going to narrow down our search results to 2,940. So we're going to select that. And as that updates, you could see here at the very top, that did narrow down our search. And the article that I'm going to look for has both academic library as well as the ebook or electronic book keyword, and that was actually this one, In Pursuit of My Book by Bryn Geffert. This was published September 2021. So we're going to go ahead and click on this. Now I'm going to show you two different ways. What I want to do is actually pull up the journal or the article and then download it. But I'm going to show you what happens when you don't do this one particular step, and I'll go back and show you how to do that. So if you just click on the title, what's going to happen is you're going to see, oh, okay, I actually did it for this time. But you're going to see the abstract, author information, the DOI number, document type, source type, related subjects, author information, the source here, the volume, issue number, page number, etc. Sometimes you won't find this here. In this case, we did find it, where you'll have access to the PDF full text. Sometimes what you find yourself looking at is nothing there. and only that information. So you're forced to come back here and actually click this link. So I'm going to go ahead and click the link. It's going to take me directly to that PDF file. And then we are going to download the PDF. So there's two different ways you can do this. You can go here, right by the print icon, there's this little folder with a down arrow. That's the download button. So you can select that, save it, or open it, or you can go up here and download the PDF, and that'll open up a new window on your computer, and then you'll be able to have access to that file there. So that is how you do a basic search using some keywords, apply some limiters, a couple expanders, and narrow down to any particular article that you enjoy. Please come back for my advanced presentation on how to use library and information science source. Thank you.